Hello, welcome to Power BI Basics for Starters. In this video, we are going to cover a very basic but very important feature of Power BI, which is, as you can see, I have a very simple Power BI reports. Report has multiple tabs, and as you can see, if I want to see the source of this file, I simply go to Transform, Data Source Settings, and as you can see, this is where my file is, and if I bring it up, this is what it's pointing to right here as a source file. But let's say for whatever reason I have to move this file to new location right here, and let's rename it correctly. I'm missing sales right there. So I need to change this location. So there are a couple of ways we can do that. One, which is a long way, is if I can go to data source settings, I can simply go to change source, and I can navigate to that new location and simply say open and OK that. As you can see, this is now to new location, and I can say close. Now you will see it, there are changes that needs to be applied. I can apply those changes right here by clicking, and it's going to go and get the data from all those from that Excel and refresh and all that. But I'm gonna cancel out, because as you can see, there are no errors just seeing that file. Now another way, I'm just going to close that. Okay, so now another way is I can go into query editor, transform data, which and let it come up. Now each one of these tables are pointing to one of the Excel tabs in this file. Let it come up. It's coming up. Just 1 second. This is a big file, so it's coming up. Anyways, while that is coming up, I'll show you. So I can go and change one by one, just in case, let's say channel, cost, and countries were located in one location and different file, and these were located into different location, different files. I can simply go one by one as well. If I can just click. So as you can see, this is the file, all pointing to these different tabs. And what I can do is simply, as I was showing, go to source and point to this specific, I can say it goes back to this one. All right, now I'm gonna say okay. Now all of these tables are going to that new sales DW file. This one is going to different location, as you can see right here, and this one is going to this location, and I can simply save, apply. Now it's going to go to, it's going to refresh data, which is fine. We are okay with it. While it's doing that, let me just pause while it's doing that. So it is finished refreshing all of those, and I can simply go ahead and close that. All right, now, okay, it's closing. Good. Okay, I want to save changes. Yes. Now if I go back to data source settings, I should see two locations, because one of the, as you can see, channel is coming from this location. The rest of these tables are coming from this location, and I can go back again and change my Excel location to whatever right here, and same thing here. And in next video, I will also go over if you are changing Excel to relational database SQL Server, from SQL Server to Excel. So hopefully this video helped you starters from changing your source file location. If you like the content, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.